Yo, what's up, y'all? As you can see, I've been riding around with my baby's car because my car is messed up. It's been messed up for the last 2 weeks, so it's just been such a headache. But anyway, we're here at the hall today. We have a lot of events happening. We have 2 events happening, a bunch of throne chair deliveries, some marquee numbers. So this weekend, I'm gonna give you behind the scenes of everything we do. Today's Friday. First thing we're gonna do is set up the hall. So tomorrow we have less work to do. Put out our new oak chair table overlay. The reason we got it is because we don't want clients to come in and worry about like little stains that be on the white linen. You know, even though you wash them, sometimes they keep stains. So we got these gold and silver overlays. We're gonna add more colors since we got rid of coloring, putting chair covers over the Chivalry chairs. Since we don't have to do that anymore, we're gonna start getting more colorful designs for the tables, for the table, and trying to make it look kind of cool. But I think it looks nice.
Hey y'all, I'm gonna let y'all know I'm getting tired of Tata. He always got me working. See what I'm talking about? He always got some. I'm tired of this. I'm tired.
We're here on day 2. Unfortunately, my stupid self forgot to record yesterday when we dropped off and took out the marquee numbers. But I'm not making that mistake today. I'm about to go to my car, get my little dangle so I can put you on my head and y'all can see everything I'm doing. And we're gonna get some good delivery. So we're gonna this morning we got a last minute throne chair. We'll do that. We got a marquee number we're gonna do. We got an event today and an event tomorrow. Don't forget about church. It's gonna have the church service at our space too also. So yeah, a lot of cool things in the pipeline. Gonna get it all done. Do it like we always do. Cool. Oh, by the way, this video is brought to you by me because I got a new spread shop marketplace where you can buy shirts and sweaters and pants and everything like that for working events. So all my t-shirt designs have like manager, a photographer. There go my hater right there. Check out my hater. Gotta have your haters. Anyway, make sure you check out my spread shop. I have shirts, t-shirts, sweaters, sweatpants. They all say photographer, videographer. They say event manager. They say photo booth assistant. They say 360 photo booth assistant, manager. So go check it out. The reason I love it the most is because afterwards you can put your own design on my little template and customize it to your thing. So what I'm gonna do is, you're gonna see a little behind the scenes. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my logo behind it just so you can see my shirt design with my logo when I go to places. So you should customize yours. Link in the description below. Make sure you check it out. Get one if you need one for your business. Y'all, we're here at the next spot, about to drop off the marquee numbers. Let's get it. day 3, Sunday, Easter Sunday. Finishing up drinking these last deliveries and last little bit of money. So let's keep going. Today I have to go pick up the marquee numbers. I then have to go to the hall, make sure everything's straightened up for the church that's going to come in and use the hall. After that, we're going to have 1 hour to set up for the event that's going to happen at 4 o'clock. So the church ends at 2. We have an hour. Then the people for the next event come in an hour early, so they come in at 3. Then the event starts at 4. So hopefully we can get everything done and situated before then. But yeah, let's go see how this is gonna go.
And we sometimes, you already know. What up? Get my face.
Anyway, y'all, we here at the hall. Last thing we gotta do for this weekend to be over. We're gonna set the boy up, have them come in, do their thing, and then we're gonna be out.